This video is sponsored by our company CRM software, Pixie. For accountants and bookkeepers, it has everything you need to manage your clients, workflow, emails, tasks, and team in one place. It is the most simple to use, flexible, and cost-effective solution in the industry. Don't believe me? Click on the link in the description and give it a try for free. Now back to the video. I think this is quite a confusing subject. You know when that time comes for you to pay your personal tax bill and you get informed you have to pay an extra half now and another extra half in July, and then you question your very existence? Yeah, that. So I thought I'd do a little video explaining what these payments on account are and why we have to pay them. We all know the tax year runs from the 6th of April to the 5th of April, right? Well, your tax for the tax year is always due to be paid by the 31st of January following the end of the tax year. Payments on account are basically payments of tax towards the following tax year. It's a way of paying tax in advance because HMRC hates us. It only really hits you hard in the first year that it happens, as after that you are just making balancing payments and you don't have to find an extra amount again. For example, if your tax bill is £10,000, you have to pay half of this amount by the filing deadline of the 31st of January and another half by the 31st of July. So £15,000 would be due by January and another £5,000 by July. A few things to note. Payments on account cover tax and Class 4 national insurance. Class 4 national insurance is the type paid by self-employed people. They are only due if your total tax and NI bill is over £1,000. If it is less, they are not due. If 80% or more of your income is already taxed, for example through PAYE, then you won't have to pay payments on account. Also, student loan repayments would also be due by the 31st January. They do not get included in the calculation of payments on account. And neither does capital gains tax. If you know your tax bill is going to be less than last year, you can request to reduce your payments on account. Be aware though, because if you underpay, HMRC will charge you interest and possibly penalties. Forward planning is really, really important. Speak to your accountant if you're concerned about your tax bill, and plan ahead. If you're not going to be able to pay what you owe, then speak to HMRC and make a payment plan with them. Hopefully this has been useful explaining about payments on account. Any questions, pop them below and I'll do my best to answer them. Just want to say a big thank you again to our sponsors over at Pixie for making this video possible. Check out their details in the description below and click on the link to give it a try. Bye!